Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check how many messages you've received or sent on the Nokia 105. So first things first, let's go to the menu by pressing the middle button, and then you want to select the middle one here, Messages, or navigate it to it wherever it is on your Nokia 105. Now within the Messages options, we want to come all the way down to Message Counter here, and we want to go into that by pressing the middle button. And as you can see here, sent messages, I currently have sent 0 as this is just a test phone. Received messages, and as you can see I've received 2, and you can clear the counter if you want to clear how many messages have been received or sent. So that's how to check the message counter on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash a subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.